Hey, let's speak English together. I'm going to ask you some simple questions, and you can answer them out loud. Just read the green text on the screen. Practice every day, and you'll feel your speaking getting better. Ready? Let's go. Hey, what are you doing? Nice. How was your day? What did you do today? Oh, nice. Where did you go? Was it busy? That's good. I like quiet places. Did you listen to music? What kind of music? Do you usually listen to music at home too? Same. It just makes everything feel easier. Do you watch anything while you relax? What kind of videos? Same here. I don't want to think too much. That's the best way to relax. What do you usually do to relax after a long day? How would you answer? Write your answer in the comments.